Smack Usubempa. Ayala. Good morning.
Good morning.
Now to say.
Na me adom bibia fine.
Afi Japan so.
Na afi komati. Afi se sene etinkwam.
Amen.
Na nyame ahira yin. Ama yeso so yetimi ahira afoforo.
Amen.
Afi se sene na obia o follow Nhyira FM. O tie radio station. O follow yen e social media. On fire Nhyira FM eni agro no. Na oda so tinkwam.
Amen.
Na Nyankopon ahira no na waye na koma so ade nyina ade amano afisese na ye client eni omu ye adwuma omo di omo adwaton de ba se ye mo de ro emfa ma wo mo na omo nyuma etupon na omo atrete omo nyuma mu na omo kosoa eni ye di dwuma.
Amen.
As a brand nti Nyankopon kai nyina ye na onye yadom na de hu hia pa ne se aka krebna afina kwa wiye ne sa few days ya kai mama yen hwe ho so yie na ye mo ye ho ban na last days are always dangerous. Nti how we have been careful throughout the year no yen fa kakranka ho na yentimi enka 2025 year ewo Nyankopon di mu nti nyame hwe nyina.
Amen.
Rich metese woni Gabi so about Amorin ne response to free Kobe Mino t-shirt aba and some trofa yeko wa for Kobusano ewo ne pre-match press conference ase. I think say you still so obsessed about what dream be and no mentality be about Amorim. Which you are entitled to do, but the answer now the man was very very balanced.
Sure. Was in your on the bench.
And yeah, then and it is true. So your t-shirt and will be Bobo or Manchester.
I was over grow more on my stadium will be Angeli. Well, who do Obezu born on started?
What he's trying to say is don't put pressure on you. Now, oh yes, Akrana and Boa Brantiano. He put pressure on the player too. He comes to train and Obi and say, "You are going and I go share free commander or I need not to please Indiana." So it's just unnecessary pressure. But I think say maybe they have made my opinion known. Kobe Mino born on him bono. Any the minutes now Obama my you no. Any mind you be a flamboyant and yet Taverse my you time no so. There are a lot of quality in Tiabrante and Onremoa. It makes sense. I think say they should find solutions to it. The guy must play more than he's playing at Manchester United. And our assets be Manchester United should deal with him very, very well. Now intimi enya the best out of Omo academy player. Now Rich, you run into the weekend analysis, no? And there are some very, very interesting games. And an interesting prediction. Yebedi hon komo na nyina ya de akọ sikafie. Na empempi no se mi begina ha. Ewom se me ba be analysis debate. Now I want it to be more interactive because ye ko Christmas games any baby leagues in the it has to do more with league in a ball. What we've seen so far and what you need to get within the festive curve, it doesn't have to do more with tactics. The league, so only league pa. Your ball league and you do match the 16 more corner. Rich and yet tactics baby because at least so follow league in Quadia. Right now you have a fair idea how everything plays. But maybe here dunia why no momentum. Why a DNA determined game be those little details, and only about be doing come I will show so and now let's familiarize yourself with the English Premier League table. No, Arsenal also the top, but Man City Danachi only 2 points gap. followed by Villa. And also the Man City only 1 point gap. And they are the most informed team in the Premier League right now. And Sana Chelsea about with 28 points. Then Omo Maka follow. In the relegation zone, West Ham. I know Muko Etihad. Then there's Burnley, Oko Bournemouth, and a Wolves. And go for the grab bomb to somebody. The only league in the probably they are already gone. Minus 26 goal difference. Only 2 points out of 16 games are Wolverhampton Wanderers. Abo. Now me who will say I am real hokakra. Because Mekai Wolves doing the Nuno Espirito Santo time now. How good they were, we didn't have a small time.
Espirito
small.
Okay, so I'm not to players now.
Of course, but what happened to their reinvestments? And it's Animal. They were a very, very good team.
Sure.
And they were known as the giant killers because of the way they were playing, you know. Yase Wolves, Etimi Ababedru, Sa Estencho. So let's get straight into the games. Now, before we get into the games, Minim say you drew a crucial moment of the season. And again, English Premier League new production always solid. They say okay, maybe I do no. A critical moment as to why and a Belgian league no. And they are taking a look at the top 4 in the Premier League currently. Any omu NS 4 games. Rich. Let's go through this exercise with Yetie Fonny Avefo. Monsieur for our message, bra. Let's start with Arsenal. Arsenal, Everton. Oya, Obobo Brighton and Hove Albion. Oya, Wabo Aston Villa. Na Oya, Wabo Bournemouth. How many points? And I'll just say Arsenal. On next 4 games, we'll meet me.
Obo Everton,
Brighton and Hove Albion, Villa, Bournemouth.
That's not games in Eddie. Serious games in Eddie.
It will give you because 4 games are 12 points.
Sure. Everton or meet away. They can beat Everton. The second game here,
Brighton and Hove Albion.
Banana skin. Brighton for no drink kakra. But omo idea about this is me hu omo say. Aside born omo boni na no inexperience kakra wo mafa. It be probably Hona Arsenal at this maturity no at the league no at this level bet me dia show omo. So it's a banana skin game.
So you are saying Arsenal can ever get 3 points from Everton.
Sure.
They can do it against
Brighton.
Villa.
Difficult game. So okay do omo dey no. Villa the show many. This is team be bet me did 2 goals out to us now. Net be it means our team are very strong.
And in that game you call it a draw.
Likely.
Bournemouth.
Bournemouth they are away na home.
I need to check.
Okay.
Mami check it quickly
say Bournemouth bobo home there. Likely is our game so a win for Bournemouth or draw. Arsenal to me.
It's
yeah.
Okay, a Bournemouth home. In the so you over points in
Arsenal.
So what you are saying is Arsenal will get
the first 2 in the likely
which is
6 points.
And out of Aston Villa and Bournemouth, they are likely to get 1 point for you. Into 7. Man City bought West Ham. No, we about Nottingham Forest. No, about Sunderland. No, about Chelsea.
Almost the last 2 netting.
But their first 2 no say 6 points now.
Yeah.
Last 2 Sunderland, Chelsea.
You say Sunderland form no fan. Very, very difficult to beat them. Especially so Mubawea.
Man City.
So Sunderland for no 2 kwan am very, very good.
Against Chelsea as well.
Chelsea will be a game. But I say me winning baby am ho.
Enye baby am.
Chelsea there.
So are you then saying say who compare Man City and Arsenal, it looks like the same.
Likely.
Okay. Villa or Manchester, Chelsea, Arsenal, Nottingham Forest. So also what form? Yala have big teams now. It's almost our form.
Oh, I know my own Manchester United likely will beat me.
Okay.
Especially almost above Villa Park there.
Okay.
Will beat me there to a proper position.
Chelsea
difficult, Arsenal difficult, and Nottingham and also meet me.
So, okay, it means just as you think Arsenal out of the four or more 2 winnable games, Man City will 2 winnable games, Villa will 2 winnable games against Forest, against Manchester United, but against Chelsea, Arsenal there. Chelsea will Newcastle, Aston Villa, Bournemouth, Manchester City as some next 4 opponents.
Christmas idea very games so it's not even a year. I said the next day never sorry. Newcastle game no. Yeah, I mean say early kickoff. Who's that Newcastle? So I'm sure more early kickoff against Chelsea. Very, very difficult for Chelsea. Very difficult.
In a I was say they love to play early kickoffs.
As a supporters in a game, I don't know. It's a game no.
It
will be a game.
It will be a game.
It will be a game.
Villa the way. The same
against Aston Villa.
Chelsea Villa.
And Chelsea will be home. Okay, so Chelsea go away.
Yes.
In the end, Chelsea will be home
against Villa. And also. Chelsea because then Bournemouth
will be a game.
Man City
and it will be a game.
So will be our 2 winnable games according to you, but Chelsea will only one of them. And so one of them will say against Villa, and you are saying this because I Stamford Bridge.
Born on Stamford Bridge, India.
Minimum say what I will say, you know. Also, so assessment in the say the top 4 teams. And on the next 4 games. I don't know what you think. But all the message bar, it will really shape the conversation having. Now, Rich, whilst we wait for those messages now, let's zoom straight into games now. Now, and we are starting with the Newcastle against Chelsea Football Club. Now, me sure say Enzo Maresca will be affected by 9 saying off the field in sense my koso or Chelsea. Ne comment I will make here about Malo Gusto and the lack of support. Then recently the link with Manchester City and then the contractual and in the future system bebre basa. I'm sure say Enzo Maresca from baby I know free bano. Ever Chelsea should anticipate. Says who coach big club. The issues outside the pitch sometimes are as crucial as the issues on the pitch. And Abia Onye so familiar with it, but he needs to get accustomed to it. Opo on pro. Obibitima Tamurumo. Journalist Eddie Abe Howard being sir. That is how big class a behavior. And I hope say Enzo Maresca will get that locked. Now on focusing on the pitch because Rich say the wedding can allude, you know. Out of the top 4, Chelsea were the most difficult next 4 games among them. And they should be very, very focused for the next 4 journeys, you know. But Rich, what I like and say, Chelsea and Enzo Maresca are built for those kind of run. How many cheap games are or think too much or you're so relaxed or changing your matter. But if you know, say, look, my next 4 games, I need to find a certain level of consistency to execute them one by one. Enzo Maresca game, you know. Big games. He loved them. And how we say consistent with those games now will be very, very telling. Rich, Maresca, Chelsea players, Chelsea fans, Chelsea paying for will be so naive if someone did say, Omoko Newcastle, it's not going to be a difficult game. And you're one of the most difficult grounds to go in the English Premier League. And you say because Newcastle, your team, Papa Biamo. But Rich, the atmosphere you walk into is one of the most intense in the Premier League. Dede. Newcastle, Nankasabo, but the tempo. The way they are running. The way they are built and the idea how. And the way the players love these kind of games. Rich. Say we are say boy we are getting the crowd here. Then you know say you are in for a very, very difficult game. And the Newcastle for almost stadium on St. James. Now, meaning say Chelsea will go into the game well prepared. But listen to what Eddie Howe said. Or say they say talking about Chelsea, they are a very good team. So we will have to be very good. It's a short recovery time for us. So it's a big challenge this week because of boy in a Carabao Cup. But we are looking forward to that. And then is where it gets interesting. We like the early kickoffs. We like playing at home. So anything we can do to swing it in our direction is important. Now, Rich, this is the Newcastle team. Yeah, when you say, I'm the best starting game, you know. Ramsdale, Miley, Lewis Hall, Xiao Shah, then in forward, the known customers, Tonali, Gumares, Jolinton, then Enimo Three, Anthony Gordon, Murphy, and Avotamadi, Ewo Enimo. Now you see, you say one of the teams are almost a perfect blend of midfield and Newcastle. Almost boots, physicality, presence in Jolinton. Almost workaholic intelligence with Bruno. And almost a technician. Minto passing. Mem chimenani shapa enfa born saha minyani say in Abantia Fernando Tonel. So we have a very, very good midfield. It's only Moba. The engine room is sorted. Now, Rich, they are mom game now so and once I see and say then they have two very good, energetic, overlapping attacking defenders in Miley and Lewis Hall. Omunjina. Sankaya Lavrimentum pa the same situation. Ban so mobile man 2 and 3 no. Ban so mobile to come and support the attack. And because they are young, they are able to recover a lot of pace. Now, Rich, when they do that, they allow Anthony Gordon Money Murphy to overload those lateral areas and try and feed Votamade in the box. A tall, lanky German striker who have learned the trade in and around the box very, very well. Say a blocking, say area situation, so say a nine, and it's or the flexible or the baby to tell you say there's a presence in the box as a striker. Votamade, top. Now, in dealing with this, Chelsea presents this. Sanchez, Gusto, Cucuera, Chaloba, Fofana, Rhys James, Moise Caicedo, Neto, Enzo Fernandez, Copama, João Pedro. Fantastic 11. This is Chelsea first 11.
Especially the back four.
Yes.
Solid.
This is Chelsea.
Chaloba ne Fofana 4 and 5.
Yes. And which, with this team, Chelsea is showing intensity. So no high tempo. No. Because they have runners all over the pitch. We have players who are ready to run and work. Malo Gusto is one. Cucuera is one. Moises Caicedo is one. Luis James is one. Enzo Fernandez is one. Neto is one. João Pedro is one. Probably the only player also for the who is say intensity will be Kopama. But Rich, on also so the game changer because while the game is him. No, so cooling the mind, trying to find the right positions and detect the pace and hit you. And the moment I was at Chelsea, Malo Gusto and Luis James at the same side of defense into midfield, Rich, what they are trying to do, and they say, look, Malo Gusto, you can come. With me, Oba, you push Kopama into a double number 10 with Enzo. Na, wabe sending Chenwaha, send me out there, line you see me now, Luis James can cover for you anytime be out the Kubia. So that they can have a lot of numbers behind the striker. Now, Adiaba Congo for the under João Pedro, and they say, Rich, apart from so a striker, na usa on what be brave or height, on you too physical but our presence.
Sure.
But Osani born any hold that play. Last time, okay,
go to them about body.
Yes, okay, go now. Neto ever ball short say the pass from Moises Caicedo and the way he was able to block the defender, get the ball to his feet, had time to say obe pigeonity, no one lay pass on Ako the left hand side. That is what he always offer our game with. Rich, we are in for a very, very beautiful game. Say Newcastle for say one of our trademarks and some lateral defenders no. They be ometi free Rich. Uti free and you have Malo Gusto and Kopama overloading you and you have Neto. Who you do leave space for him to attack you there. Now in the events game next year, Rich, Chelsea will Konya Bebre to push Kopama middle year and bring Neto to that side and get in Garnacho. They bring in getters. They have players. They can always make sure say, baby and Newcastle for when they attack you with a moving play. No, they have players who can say, okay, some baby but yeah, Jibona in quick turnovers transitions, you know, we will have two players who can run both lines. I think, sir, with this, one-sided kaka to net to Hong Kong when it comes to counter attack. But say Enzo Maresca shake game now, game this stretching, you need to change something. What he will do, and he said he will add another winger in Garnacho or Gittins. No chance and yet two flanks one. Can counter attack you and no position Ama Kopama more centrally. Na area where you one player be F54 na ordinary good game. You better share a very, very good game. Send your open the beer. Now some of you new track there, you will love it more. Because me when say ebeye like waiting free, now we are free. Waiting free, now we are free. Rich, the advantage at Chelsea war and they say Oman Carabao Cup. And there are some players in the Newcastle team that they played in the Carabao Cup. Tiao boy. There were a lot of players on Bobi. Until a lot of time to rest. For a game that is going to be intense. Tempo never was so. But who rest period kakra. Actually team na obo hope no. Unu say in the last 5 games at Chelsea and Newcastle abo. Rich, Obia winning 2 and Omaba draw 1. But unfortunately for Chelsea, in the last 2 games today, me na Newcastle show me 2-0. Almost show me in the Carabao Cup, and almost show me in the last Premier League game on board. Me na 2-0. Chelsea must quickly turn that. Rich, say me the mistake to so there. I think that because of the intensity and the tempo of the game, I will go for an over 1.5 over 2.5. And not so much about who will win or when ever draw. But if you want to add, say, oh, at least one of your favorites, maybe somebody come back to one, I will go for Chelsea.
Okay.
I think Chelsea per game is be stable. They prepare very well for games. Be say, and when they bring their first 11 on board overall, we should key players in the omobona. I think so. More so kakra. Actually, team in Newcastle, and that could at least make Chelsea come out of St James with a draw, and I say a slim win. But the goals in there, I am very sure. Say we are not going to see less than 2 goals in this very nice early kickoff, quick tempo game. I was St James Stadium. Rich, who game we say? Brighton and Hove Albion and Sunderland. 2 stubborn teams. Any game can see it. Very interesting game to follow. And I'll be expecting goals to come into the game. 2 teams are almost there, but they don't play as small class. They play as if say they know they are good. And this game will also give us very good goals. Now I am going for a Bournemouth double chance at home against Burnley. Burnley team no underscore Parker still now and it seems that Bournemouth started to pick it up. Osho Munansia 4-4 against Manchester United. Goals not at and probably they will pick from that confidence, and at home there it will be very difficult, and a one of the most upset I even win this Premier League. If Sevilla say Burnley Vitality Stadium, so I will go for at least a Bournemouth double chance against Tima, your friend Burnley. City is expected to beat West Ham, and one team a City team on West Ham. But Rich, baby a Premier League in April. Team be a PSG League baby a momentum will be, you must find it. And you must be very consistent with your results, whether home or away. Now, out of the next games ball, Rich, City say Arsenal or tricky away games be or no so be. And what is now feel there? You must do whatever it takes to get the 3 points. Rich Premier League way, a new story is nothing about power. We have to form, we have for we have to know. I think we have because our stories in power. And the details in Sir dynamics, ubu fear against a team you need to beat.
And Christmas is on your bono. 3 days, 2 days, 3 days, 2 days. Team Nanyape, the next game is problem. Best lucky.
No problem. And me sure say, Rich, so do we need Premier League in Mississippi? One of the coaches or Tisari and I say, hey Pep. He understands the times the Premier League a woman. And he may want to start the festive season with a good win with fear against West Ham. Now already other teams, everything I know position we now I have a ball league. Me is so convinced in my head. Say City at the Etihad will beat team friend West Ham. So a City win over 1.5 should be for me and then me bet. Now Rich, this game at the Tottenham Hotspur Stadium. Tottenham against Liverpool. Say, game with dinner Tottenham against Liverpool. Then you start to think where to fix it, which it is difficult. Very difficult, especially with this current Liverpool form.
Liverpool on your back.
No, they can't be back now. They need more consistent results to convince me. Say they are back. And one of them a game way. Because for me on paper, this is a difficult game. Very difficult game. Rich, how did you say difficult? Liverpool team no under slot now. Because of the crisis Kakano Mukomuno. Rich, they are still trying to find a formula. And be a one knowledge of the Premier League behind him say I'm passing over a contender in December. Yeah, could December ending. And you're afraid of a formula for your team. You need to by this time know your team. But sir, every Liverpool are trying to find themselves. That is a big problem for Barca. Big one. And see a group of 11 now, you understand the point I am trying to make. Rich, Tottenham there, what they are showing under Thomas Frank, I am the Tottenham we know. That is their character. Yes, they can go nice and say, hey, Tottenham, I feel my idea. All of a sudden, no automatic. So, I'm Tottenham team na papa bia. All of a sudden, they come back to life and say, hey, Tottenham are good players. That is Tottenham is super from Tottenham. Nah, sanity. And unless you are not used to them, Rich, and these are the kind of games Tottenham also can spring to life. There are few issues. Odogumo prepare. But I think that this team is good enough. Vicario, Poro, Spence, Coutinho, Romero, Van de Ven. Backline. Central midfielders, because it's Liverpool. They want to play players are defensively no balance. In Bentancur and Paulinho. Then train behind the striker. No. Kudu Starboy on the right. Xavi Simons as number 10. Colomwani and also Brendan Johnson this part of Omo pitch, with Richarlison leading the lines. Now, Rich, look at the Liverpool team. And I want you to look at this Liverpool team, especially from Omo wide positions.
Soboslai.
And flying right. A position.
Obo Mosala,
Say Mo Salah. So a position where it used to be Mo Salah and either Cody Gakpo and also Luis Diaz. So for me profile the way we see Bobo now, it is so different from Soboslai and Flanvert. These are midfielders. So the point I want to make is say Liverpool team we Gavin Betting him say in the previous Liverpool team Rich McAllister himself in the previous Liverpool team as a midfielder, so Onyamona or Pejanitia and a club or under slot, now or both pass at 2 wings. So Omo pass at 2 wings, and you play on pace. Only wing play 1v1, both pass or both pass na mano. They are able to play their expansive football, and that is how they've known to play. Now, Rich, Sami Pejanitia as a midfielder, now a Soboslai. I will measure my pass because I'm able to space Bobria. Only Mo Salah, only pace in the sort of Akofa. But I'm able to defeat here. He's a technician. He'll be able to control and give me BB.
Now I got the gap on way.
Opera. I think almost what plus or Yari for some time now. Into after also recover over. That's a big problem for Team FL.
And I can so home fan.
They have a certain situation they have to deal with, and the men sure if they'll be able to do the job against Team FL Tottenham Hotspur, because there is a different Liverpool team.
Confess now, free Germany buy Premier League, share them fans. So most lines so I feel no as our position we all McAllister fine. Because he's a midfielder.
Of course,
how the baby or Shannon is okay.
All the other positions, any more body are good. But the Liverpool identity we've known, those fast wingers now, in those positions, they give Liverpool playing a lot. They don't have them now.
Because our players we know, Ojibona has all control.
What you say?
I can think and so train pass.
And when Liverpool attacking the pace now, you know, for instance. Tottenham are free. Or we go and Curtis Jones at the ball with Fifi. Or pass a ball on McAllister and as a Gavin Baker. Or Pejanitia our ball pass that to space. Rich. Suspense Edri Mike Banechi. And as a Poro Edri Mike Banechi by Recover. Because now all calling because Tottenham are not body attacker. So Poro him say he had to chase Salah. That is a different situation altogether. But I also chasing Soboslai. He will get there. I also chasing for a better. Spence will get there. That is what Liverpool will have to deal with. The pace in the attack is gone. And they have to find a different identity under Orefan and a slot with these available players. But even with that said, Rich, I still think we will get an over 1.5 in this game. I still think we will get it. And yet high tempo intensity game. But I still think with the quality on the pitches, you bet me an over 1.5 game in Tottenham against Liverpool. Now, you were mentioning banana skin games for Arsenal. And you mentioned the Brighton and Hove Albion game. Rich, I think Brighton and Hove Albion at Emirates against Arsenal. It's a straight win for Arsenal. But this, for me, is the banana skin.
Because Everton in Bochum.
Yes. At the Hale Dickinson Stadium, with this Everton team, Rich Everton, who is or some secret weapons we hold the team anymore. On a good day, pan, Rich, they can be very, very stubborn. Stubborn has been American. Rich, that Grealish, McNair, Akaras, Barry, South front four women. The rest of the players are compact. The biggest problem they are going to have, and I say, in their compatibility, there's one key players in this Agana guy who have gone to the AFCON. Papa. Sankanye Noah, Rich. They would have been very, very compact and have the balance to play Arsenal. And when they get the opportunity to release McNeil, Grealish, Akaras behind barrier, they can cause some few problems for Arsenal. The good news for Arsenal, and I said, as a gradually they are getting some of their injured players back. Calafiori is back. Saliba is back for some consistent time. Julian Timber is back for some consistent time. Now they are getting Victor Jokeres also for some consistent time. And they seem to be getting some key players back. Gradually they'll be getting to that level now. And yet Arsenal first 11 non kwa. And Arsenal team, Rich, say game no ban say game no stretch, they need to bring players from the bench. What do you show bench one hour show? Would you imagine Arsenal ko hill? You book game now you do 68 minutes, Rich. Game no enyam komo bia. Look at this Arsenal team. And look at bringing on players be say Eze, Trossard, Mikel Moreno. You get it. You clearly see say
Noni Madueke.
Noni quality.
Arsenal team. Omo tron dey say Nkapie no na.
Oh, but he's good.
Oh, he's good, but Oshevado.
He has been very, very
good. Oh, good. Born do any problem, but as I say, attack Arsenal. No hope for kakra. No hope for kakra. Omo no ya target.
Onya setting.
Ubet me den hona shegu. Saliba, strong guy.
Arsenal must find a win or rich. Maybe they must find it.
Because City town to do.
That is the
point. And Eddie City Beshe.
They are playing home against West Ham.
We got 2 points.
Yes, and City Bebo answer.
Yeah.
City Bebo 3. Arsenal give me 8. By the time on Bebo, it's likely City at 1.
Sure.
Which, to be safe, a double chance Arsenal, but I think they should be able to win. Leeds Palace should give us an over 1.5 game. Then Villa Manchester United, Rich. What's that?
Oh, no great.
Oh, but when you say Villa, for.
This is changing that narrative now.
Sir.
Ayala United team na you. So who say United team na enya. A United team share 4, but when me am for win.
But so Obisubaka say how many?
And share the scenario I the board draw no.
Obisubaka say how many teams, Rich? and Ebeko away. No, so I could 4. No one winning game. Away team was 4. I will be home. He still couldn't win the game. It is because Man U were also very good on the day. And again, Rich, a woman's a Villa on form. But only the Villa, on form in the people don't see them as contenders. When you expect them to maintain momentum and now be real with say Omega contenders, that is where they flatter to deceive. 30 points out of 11 games. That is their form now. And a general master, which we say in their last 10 games, in their last 11 games, they've won 10.
I like a game, no, any pammy neighbor. And Buemo are mad. Now, only has a golf con.
Who come Manchester X account, one who do first. This one. Their graphic for the match day, and the second one, and the around. Good luck. Good luck to Ahmad. Good luck to Mazwari. Good luck to Brian Mbeumo. I think, for me, this is where the problem is.
Me gamer. In fact, me United ni you share more. Your best in this game beats me a draw. But see a question party.
Okay. We know how good Villa is. We know Omutim no. So we will skip it. Rich, in the absence of the key players, how do you see this Manchester United team?
Ain't bad.
Laments, the three back of Shaw, Martinez, Euro. Then my wing backs of Dogu, Dalot. Who said Casemiro do red card? Into a suspended for that game way. Into Ugarte Fernandez, Mount Cunha, Zegzi.
So now I go menu amo.
Daddy. So come menu position and one out of a team with you.
I said sometimes you book him. Oh, Ayala, I don't know me catch you. Say you book him na Casemiro do card. And you drop in the beer. I come mine in it never. There's no Ugarte.
You put him say. And only a game, sir. Because you started playing.
Yeah.
Sad time. Depending on what you need, do you still need a DM? Or you think that game where a game they can hear the management of the game where we will need players they can hold on to the ball and allow us to dominate the midfield and manage it.
Ugarte no. When you ball passing. The tackling beyond so be could be is it as well be foul no with the card? This is how about Aston Villa. Why do you play him?
Because he's the only number 6 apart from Casemiro.
Yeah, me GD say ma copy by no bobo. So play.
Some Casemiro bar. It means you'll be playing a number 8.
Yambo.
Number 8 and number 10 as well 6 and 8.
Yambo.
And you think that
me pay no. Ugarte no anya ne passing yet. Okay. Ne tackle bien so yet.
Same way and probably 11. This one official.
Okay.
So probably Abia Amorim will think alongside
Ugarte ni there.
Okay, let me ask you this. Say Oman Kobe Mino about maybe Ugarte will this same team. More chances be improving to you.
Especially say Queen
And okay, CCA with this.
Yeah.
Would you say winning percentage say?
Some me didn't get cash out. United fan. But I give me sure say between us. We can't.
With this team with Ugarte and winning
40-60.
40-60. So who you got now Oze Odem Kobimano Bejina.
It become 50-50.
It become 50-50. Then he said so Kobimano Badia you don't think you will lose.
No.
Okay.
At least game where you go for dry is okay. Because Villa for no form a good no.
I know shit.
A day. Very, very difficult. Especially that intensive game no bono.
Okay, Rich. The way you didn't go. What about those who say, oh, Ayala and Rich, forget about who will win or who will draw? Maybe somebody will see 2 goals, so will we see goals in this game?
Game way 1-0 likely.
And if you are not going to see goals,
then who goes will be?
Then the best advice NSM go for you from mobile to sign. They should take this game off. Because if yes, Villa is favourites, but Omun Tinima you. And there is a caveat to war. say bibia betimi asi then if you think the goals are also not going to come
and you film
simple
na go say bet no
Rich, me for the next 2 minutes and wrap it up now yentimi entra say there are interesting games in the La Liga there money interesting and say Rich say over La Liga top 4 now Madrid ebo e will fear against Sevilla but Omo Makano which is the other 3 teams you know interesting games before and interesting games in the air there let's put the Madrid game to bed. Rich, Madrid were more problems but there are some games they are so good enough to win. One of them should be against Sevilla or Santiago Bernabeu and say Osha Massa first 11 no more predicting that. Rich, even though this team doesn't really look so strong Madrid teams comparatively, no. Rich, it should be good enough to beat Sevilla. Courtois, Asensio at right back, Fran Garcia left back, Housen, Rudiger 4 and 5, Chiomani, Goulet, Bellingham, Vinicius, Mbappe, Rodrigo. I think it should be good enough to beat Sevilla and Ofie. Atletico, go away, Catalan. Omukubo Girona. Girona this season and Cassie. But Rich, Atletico can also disappoint you, pa. And in games you expect them to win easily. Now, you know how they do it. The game becomes so difficult to me. But say Girona na minim this season, yeah. Rich, Atletico should at least go find a double chance away. Girona. Now the Barcelona travel away to Ceramica. Rich, good game. A game that has always given us goals. Barca Villarreal, whether at Camp Nou, whether at Munich, whether at Ceramica. It is a game that has always given us goals. Our sad game. Can Barcelona beat this Villarreal team? Yes. Can this Villarreal team beat Barcelona? Yes. There are small qualities be about Barcelona and what Villarreal for Ninibi. And that is on one level of killer instinct. Say Rafinha bo, Lamine Yamal bo, Rashi bo, Ferran Torres and Lewandowski bo. I think that is where the difference is. Barcelona were killer instinct players more than Villarreal. And on a 30 game, no. But at over 2.5 there, you will have it a sad game with Enra. And that's where I finish. Enra in the Bundesliga, Dortmund share 2-0 against Mönchengladbach. These are the rest of the game. One of the mouth-watering games, Leipzig and the Bayern Leverkusen game, you know. And I think it will give us a very, very good vibes. So there will be goals.
After the end, there will
be games. You see, after the end, look, there are only 2 teams and a favorite to win the AFCON. Omo Makanina will fight and make it interesting. Rich, my top 2 teams to win the AFCON and Morocco and Senegal. Morocco, Senegal. Morocco will share Comoros for them. And they will not beat them 1-0. They will beat them a 3-2. They will start on a very, very good note. Which AFCON way, it is orchestrated for Morocco to win the AFCON. Yeah. And they have the players. Yes, they have the players, they have the form, they have everything behind them to win. Mijiri said the only thing that can stop them will be Senegal. And probably if along the way they meet African giants, be say Cameroon, Ivory Coast or Nigeria. Apart from that, nothing is stopping Morocco from winning the AFCON. Rich. Okay. It's in their first game. Simple win for Morocco. Simple win. You have to into all the simple. We give 2 different types of code. Name the end I first give a rollover code and some and the games and also home. Until we are going today, Sunday and Monday. And because the AFCON is starting, I know say if you are able to beat the first hurdle, the rest will be very, very easy for us. Say you bet me a conclude. And for all you interested in the rollover, no, the rollover code no first. Na yemfa any 2 games bonus no enka homa. Rollover bonus no, which you bet me start minimum 100 cedis. Then you get bare 3,000 after the 3 no. BW 2AF 1A EC9 BW2AF 1A EC9. Then any games, you know, only 2 codes. Epe ena mede mount. First one BW 2AF 3C 280 ena BW 2AF 3F 893. It's BW2AF 3F893 BW2AF 3C280. For a course, you know, and for the rollover BW2AF 1A EC9. 3 off rollover. And Oko also bempa Ayala LX on South Becca these schools. Oko Facebook also so abesma ko also bempa -Ayala and as Ayala Sports. I won't know so on South Becca. Follow me on any of my socials now. I know follow me and can when you da. You will not wait until say about show so answer now when you and there are very, very other interesting topics. I always have my take on it. Our social media. So these are the
for that preview